Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Fruit for Thought. I haven't done this box in so long. If you're not familiar, this is like one of the most fun, unique boxes out there. When I say unique, I mean there's nothing like it. So each box has, and they're planned months in advance, so if you want to grab one, a very particular one, you can. Like this month it's Peppermint Twist. Next month, I think it's like kumquats or something like that. It's like either a fruit or vegetable, rarely. I've done this twice before, I think. They're $44.99 for the full size. They do also have a mini box, but I think you can only get that as like a 3-month prepay, because on the website I could only see it as that, and it's $89.99 for 3 months. So that would be $30 a month. There's 5 to 7 items in the full size. I think this is a full size because I do remember the box looking similar to this last time. This box wins for best packaging. Also, everyone is just, first of all, they always smell amazing. There's always like just smelly, yummy, delicious items inside, whether you can eat them or not. Like, they're just all so delicious. Look at how beautiful this is. I do have a code for you guys, TREE10, for 20% off your first month. So that's a nice coupon. I'll put that all below. I'll link to them. I'll also link to my full review. Look at how cute it's wrapped. Look at the ribbon. It's so cute. All right. This is the November. It's soda pop themed. Oh my gosh, I couldn't tell from the smell. I'm like, it smells fruity, but oh, I see something terribly delicious and also bad for me in here, and I want to eat it right now. Cheat day. Just kidding. All right, so this is the soda pop box. What's in my box? It's gonna tell you here everything that's in here. This is stocked full of stuff. Like, wow. I told you that this month is the Peppermint Twist. I don't know if that's still available, but they have everything listed on their site. So if you're interested in seeing what's coming up, they tell you. Everything's like, it's very transparent. And then they do come out with spoilers over the course of the months prior. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? All right, so first up we have, oh my gosh, look at these little cubes in here. What are the little cubes? So this is a pineapple loofah. Is this not the cutest thing? This is day in, day out shower sponge. I think maybe these are just for decoration, but maybe they also hold like soap and allow you to get more soap on you. But look at this, isn't that cool? I love it, it's so cute. Ah! Oh my gosh. All right. That was nerdy. All right, next we have Botanical Bar's Ginger Ale Body Lotion. Oh my gosh. So it's different kinds of soda. It really does smell like ginger ale. Isn't that crazy? It's like a very light, it's very moisturizing. This is like for every day, all day, like daytime wear. This isn't like a bedtime cream where you can only use it at night because it's so thick. The smell is just so, it's so like, it just smells straight up like ginger ale. I've never had anything like that. Actually, I lie. I did have one time a lip gloss that tasted like ginger ale. It tasted. I do like that scent. It's something you don't think about because you associate it with trying to feel better. Sick. But it smells so nice. And it says it's handmade in the Blue Ridge Mountains. I love this song by this band called the Fleet Foxes. It's called Blue Ridge Mountains, so. All right. Next, let's move on. I got lotion on my hands. All right. Next up we have Beerfoot bottle opener. Look at this little monster. Look, it's a little bottle opener, which is super cute. Pop a top. Our one-eyed wonder was elusive, but ever since his capture, he's proved awfully friendly. Whether magnetized to the fridge, ooh, he sticks to your fridge, or suction cupped to the counter, you'll want to keep Beerfoot around for his bashfully truthful grin and bottle opening horns. So he has magnetized horns, silicone and plastic made, and he removes caps clearly. I think that's really cute. I love that. What a neat little addition. All right, next we have a sody. And I like how they wrap this just in case. Never know what happens in, you know, as it arrives at its destination. Upcycled funky stuff on Etsy by David. Oh, so it's not. It's a candle. What? It's a strawberry fan. That's what I smell. It's a strawberry fancy. Yo, look at that. I just said yo on my channel. I don't think I've ever done that before. Pulled out a little bit of my ghetto. It's a strawberry candle. This is from Upcycle Funky Stuff on Etsy by David. How freaking crazy is that? And it does have burning instructions down here. Oh my gosh. If you know somebody that like is like likes a certain kind of soda, like my husband likes Dr. Pepper. He doesn't drink it anymore because we both took an oath to lower our caffeine intake. But like this is like the perfect gift because you know they're so like sweet and like it smells so good. It really does. It smells like strawberries. All right, next we have Dr. Pepper jelly beans. These are look, the wrappers like getting there. My kids will eat these. I love Jelly Bellies. I just said, didn't I just say too? My husband loves Dr. Pepper. My husband will love these. I'll stay clear of them because you know gotta be truthful to your diet. But yum. Can we just say that yum? Maybe I'll use them for a stocking stuffer too for one of the kids or for my husband, right? That'd be cute. All right, anyway. All right, next up we have Mary Lou's Gourmet Popcorn. This is rainbow. This is what I saw in the box and I was like, oh my gosh, girl, I can't eat this, but I can. It's handcrafted in California. It's beautiful. I love this kind of stuff. I can't like not eat it. Like I can like taste it right now. I'm like, I just want to eat that. And I love these different flavored popcorns. This one's probably going to be really sweet and fruity. And I'm going to have to hide it and have like 2 pieces here, 2 pieces there. And not let my kids know about it either. Because I don't really want to share. I'm just going to be honest. I don't want to. All right. Next we have Blue Violet Soaps Grape Soda Bath Bomb Cup. Oh, this is another thing I'm smelling. Wow. This is a Grape Soda Bath Bomb Cupcake. So it has a little straw and it has a little dot on the top. I'm guessing this is like a bubble bath part. And then this will all, I don't know. We'll see when I do it. But it's so cute and it does really smell like grape soda. How awesome is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, our final item in here is bottle caps. Wow, I haven't seen these in 100,000 years. So these are the old-timey, this is an old-timey candy. If you were alive in the 80s, you know about these. Maybe even the 90s. Well, if you were 8 or 9 years old or whatever, there's a root beer, what is it, cherry grape cola, which was like the only candy you could get in a cola flavor was in these. Like you got this like really good cola flavored candy. I love, that was my favorite. The only way these could possibly be better, and I'm just putting this out here for all the candy companies that are surely watching my video, is if they made these that fizzed. Like I want a cola bottle cap that fizzes in my mouth. Wouldn't that be cool? Because that would really bring home that whole cola thing. But there's also grape and orange. Those were never quite as good as the cola. Can we just keep talking about the cola flavored one? Anyway, I'm excited about these. I'll be sharing them with my kids though because I put all this sugar in my body and I'll be a diabetic. So that is everything that I received. There's tons of stuff in here. We have the bath bomb, the bottle caps, the beer foot, the Fanta candle, the fun pineapple loofah sponge, this ginger ale body lotion. See, it's just a good mix. It's just so much fun. The rainbow popcorn, which looks super tasty. There's our inserts and our Dr. Pepper jelly beans. It's a great box. I love it. If you're interested in checking out the full review, I'll link to that below. I will also put the coupon code and I will link to Fruit for Thought so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's see you next time.